Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all are well. So today we will be discussing about IIT Bombay CSE department's master's program. Many of you questioning about what are the categories of the master's program, and I am sure that many of you don't know there are four categories of IIT Bombay CSE master's program. First one is MTech TA, second one is MTech RA, third is MSTA, and fourth is MSRA. So I know you might be thinking that what are the differences between these categories and what are the pros and cons between these categories. In this video I'll be discussing about everything, I'll be discussing about IIT Bombay MTech CSE TA program, teaching assistant program. And in the next video I'll be discussing about what are the MTech RA program, what is MTech RA, and what is the admission process of the MTech RA program, the interview process and the written test, what you have to study, and what are the differences between the MTech TA and the MTech RA. In the next video I will be discussing, and in this video I will be discussing about MTech TA. And for the MS program, it's different, it's somewhat different than the MTech program. So I will be doing one podcast with one of the students of MS program. So I will be discussing everything like MTech RA, MTech TA and MS program. You will get to know everything about the curriculum, courses, the placement statistics, everything about the IIT Bombay Masters program. Subscribe to my channel and share this video, share this channel to everyone who will be benefited by these videos. And this video will be useful for both of the batches. Those who have been already given GATE, they will get to know at the admission process of the IIT Bombay MTech program, and those who are preparing for the GATE and who are aiming for the IIT Bombay CSE. I know that many of the aspirants target under 100 rank. So if you are getting under 100 rank, then your first choice will be IIT Bombay CSE. So those who are preparing for GATE also can watch this video and can be motivated by this video and study hard. So let's begin this video. The first point is the eligibility criteria of the MTech TA program. You can see in the screen, I think the eligibility criteria of this program, this year's brochure, MTech brochure, is being showed by now, and you can see that who have been given GATE CS paper, it is mandatory to be in CS to be eligible for the MTech CS. You have to give the GATE CS paper, and you have to do either BE or BTech in any branches, or you have to do MCA in specific branches and MSc in any science branches with some criteria, with some conditions with the bachelors. So you can see this eligibility criteria taken from the information brochure of this year IIT Bombay MTech program. I am attaching the link of the PDF, and you can refer to the IIT Bombay MTech website also for getting all the information. Track this website in every day. I think you should visit these websites of every IITs and ISCs every day so that you don't miss any opportunities. The next point is the admission process. So this year too, like the previous years also, IIT Bombay is taking MTech TA candidates according to the GATE score basis of the GATE 2024, 23 and 22. The previous 3 years GATE score, you will be eligible for applying for the MTech CSE, and if your score is high enough, you will be getting selected directly to the IIT Bombay MTech CSE program. The next point is the duration. The MTech TA program is course oriented and it's fixed 2-year course. So it's starting about in July, and it's ending after 2 years in June month. So in our case, we have started our MTech journey from July 2022, and we are ending our MTech journey in June 2024. And right now we are in final semester and about to leave the college. There are 4 semesters, and in each semester there will be some coursework, some MTPs, projects, and the placement activities. Everything it will be packed up. The next point is the number of courses you have to take in the whole 2 years span. So you have to take 11 courses in MTech TA program. Within the 11 courses, 9 courses are the electives. You have to choose which courses you have to select according to your preference, and two courses are the core courses, that is the compulsory courses. So yeah, at the first semester, we have to do one core course, that is software lab, and in the very next semester, that is in the second semester, we have to do the communication skills, that is also one core course. So these are the two core courses, and we have to do seminar also, that is not part of core course, but we have to do this. It's mandatory for all. And yeah, rest of the 11 courses we have to manage within these 2 years span. We have to manage in this fourth semester. We have to take 9 elective courses, and each course have some credits. So the 9 courses, the elective courses you have to choose, that will be of 6 credits each. And the software lab, that is in the first semester, it will be the 8 credit course. And the communication skill, it will be P or non-P course. It has no credit. It will be pass or fail course. You have to get at least P grade to pass this course. And the seminar is the 4 credit course. And from this third semester and fourth semester, we have to do MTP, that is the master's thesis project. In the third semester, it's called MTP 1, and the credit of the MTP 1 is 50 credits. It's quite high than the course, and yeah, we have to devote time for that also. And in the fourth semester, now we are doing, that's MTP 2, and it's of 40 credits. There is one rule that in each semester, in one semester, the minimum credit criteria have to satisfy. It's 18. So you have to select some number of courses at least. Otherwise, you'll not be eligible to register for this semester. So yeah, this information will be helpful. Who are getting IIT Bombay and will be coming for MTech CSE. This information will be very much helpful for them. The next point is the domain. How many domains are there in IIT Bombay MTech CSE, or there is any specific domain we have to choose from the very beginning? No, it's course oriented, and IIT Bombay MTech CSE means we are doing coursework with some projects on some specialization. So there are mainly 3 domains. The first one is theory pool, the second one is the EIML pool, and the third one is computing systems pool. So when we are choosing our MTP or seminar, so we are choosing our projects within these 3 pools. Otherwise, we can choose any electives on any pool. There is no restrictions of that. The next point is the TA duty. Yeah, it's MTech CSE. So teaching assistant is the mandatory thing that we have to do from the very first semester. So in many colleges, the TAC is not mandatory, and I have heard that in the first semester there is no TA work of them. Yeah, it's good for them, but for our case, for IIT Bombay, we have to do the TA work from the very first semester. And in one course, we have been allocated with respect to our preferences. In many cases, without our preferences. So yeah, in TA work, we have to basically do the invigilation duty, the copy checking, the questions making, the assignments checking, basically helping the professors in all these tasks he is doing with his teaching. So yeah, TA work is very mandatory for us, and yeah, it's strict here. But yeah, you will be thinking that there will be much time needed for this TA work, but no. I think weekly 2 or 3 hours is very enough for TA work. And the pros of this TA work is you will get to know the other students who are also TA of the same course. You will get to know the students of that courses. You will be communicating with the other students and TAs and the professors. Eventually, you will be upgrading yourself in every manner. So yeah, TA work is not that much bad, and yeah, we are getting our stipend because of that TA work, right? So yeah, we have to do that also. So the next point is the stipend. Yeah, stipend, it's fixed amount. We are getting stipend for 2 years. For each month, we are getting 12,400. And if you are not doing your TA work well, or you are absent in many days in the office, so maybe your stipend may be cut, but that is very rare case. The next point is the very important point for you, the fees. For our case, for these 2 years, we have to pay around 2.5 lakhs. For the first semester, we have to pay around 70,000, and the rest of the 3 semesters, we have to pay around 60,000 each. So yeah, for mess amount, for the mess, we have to give 27,000 per semester, and within that, 4 to 5,000 are given back within our account after the semester ends. And the hostel fees is 18,000 per semester. You can guess that 3,000 per month, and rest of the fees are academic fees, and there are some one-time fees because for that reason the first semester fees is somewhat greater than the other semester fees. So yeah, 2.5 lakhs on an average fees of these MTech program of 2 year span. जो लोग अभी गेट के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं ना, गेट 2025 के लिए, उन लोगों के लिए मेरा एक एडवाइस है कि देखो, कोचिंग तो बहुत अच्छा लेना ही चाहिए. कोचिंग अगर अच्छे से नहीं लोगे तो तुम्हारा कंटेंट जिससे जिससे तुम पढ़ोगे वही तुम्हारा अच्छा नहीं होगा. बट उसके साथ भी मतलब ये 1 साल या 2 साल जो भी तुम प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो ना, ये 1 या 2 साल में तुम्हारा पूरा मोटिवेशन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी पूरा रहना चाहिए. अगर ऐसा कर रहे हो कि एक दिन पढ़ लिए, 2 दिन नहीं पढ़ रहे हो, एक दिन बहुत पढ़ लिए, तो ये तुम्हारे लिए बेनिफिशियल नहीं होगा. तो इसके लिए अगर तुम्हारे साथ कोई मेंटर रहे या तुमको कॉन्सिस्टेंटली गाइड करे कि इसके बाद ये पढ़ो, इसके बाद ये पढ़ो, यहाँ से ये चीज़ पढ़ लो, ये चीज़ प्रैक्टिस कर लो, ये टेस्ट सीरीज़ दे दो अच्छे से, अभी से रिविज़न स्टार्ट कर दो, ठीक है, तो तुम्हारा बहुत हेल्प होता है. ठीक है, मैं अपने देखा हूँ, अपने जब मैं प्रिपेयर कर रहा था, अगर मेरे साथ भी कोई मेंटर होता तो बहुत हेल्पफुल होता. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ के लिए अगर मुझे एज ए गाइड या एज ए मेंटर तुमको चाहिए तो मैं लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में हूँ. डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स से वो लिंक तुम फेच कर सकते हो एंड तुम कोई भी कॉल शेड्यूल कर सकते हो. एंड अगर तुमको चाहिए होगा कि तुमको स्ट्रेटेजी बहुत अच्छे से बनाना है, ठीक है, व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू गाइडेंस भी लेना है, तुम कॉल कर सकते हो. इन सब चीज़ के लिए लिंक दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो तुम वहाँ से तुम शेड्यूल कर सकते हो. एंड आई एम एश्योरिंग यू, मतलब ये बहुत हेल्पफुल होगा तुम्हारे लिए. तुम फीडबैक्स वगैरह पढ़ सकते हो जो स्टूडेंट्स ऑलरेडी लिए हुए हैं मेरा मेंटरशिप, तो ये बहुत हेल्पफुल हो चुका है ऑलरेडी. तो आई थिंक तुम्हें भी लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज तुम नहीं लोगे तो तुम पीछे रह जाओगे. तो या एंड तुम्हारा अगर कोई भी क्वेरीज हो, तुम लिंक्डइन या इंस्टाग्राम के थ्रू मुझे कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. मैं रिप्लाई भी कर देता हूँ कोई भी क्वेरीज हो. ठीक है. Yeah, the next point is the internship. Many students are asking me that is the internship eligible in the IIT Bombay MTech CSE. So yeah, right now it's not officially eligible. You are not eligible to do internship on your own, or your but if your professors, if your guide allow you to do internship, you can definitely do. In our batch also, there are many students that has done the internships during their MTech TA during the summer vacation. The discussion is going on to eligible us for the for this internship also. I think within 1 or 2 years it will be eligible for all the MTech students to do the internship and sit for the internship program also. If you're not doing any internship also, that is not that much bad, because you are preparing for the placement. That is your ultimate goal. Much better. You are getting time, you are getting the whole summer vacation, you are doing coding, you are doing projects, you are doing coursework, you are doing MTPs. So for this ultimate goal, I think not doing internship is not that much bad, because after 1 year you are getting placed in one of the top-notch companies. Next point is the plagiarism. Bro, it's serious problem here. They treat plagiarism as one of the crime. If you do plagiarism 2 times or more than 2 times and you are asked to show in the DDAC committee, you are gone.
भाई कैसी लगी आगे स्वाद.
Your whole MTech TA program will be stopped and yeah, go home now. Here they see they treat this plagiarism thing very seriously. The minimum punishment the prof can give is in which assignment you are doing plagiarism, the score of this assignment is given to 0. Then it's coming that your grade of that course, if you're doing one time plagiarism, then it will be deducted to -1. So if you are getting grade 8, now you will be getting 7. And the worst thing is, you will be asked to present you for this plagiarism thing to the DDAC, that is the Disciplinary Action Committee. So yeah, that's the worst part, and here plagiarism is not tolerated in any manner. So yeah, that's very good actually, because you will be doing all these things on your own, and you will be developing on yourself. The next point is the MTP and seminar. From the second semester, I have told the 4 credit course is seminar. We have to choose our fields, our respective fields, in which field we will be doing our seminars and MTPs, and we have to give the preference to the professors to which professors are keen to do our MTP and seminars, all these things. And the profs also check about our grades and how much rank we are getting and the grades in the relevant subjects, and they will pick then in which students they are taking. So from the second semesters we are starting our seminars, and if we are doing our seminars and MTP in the same under the same guide, so we can just extend the seminar thing to the MTP and MTP1 and MTP2. And yeah, for doing this MTPs and seminars and research things from the second semesters, or max to max from the third semesters itself, we are given to our respective labs access and the systems, one dedicated system for every student. So yeah, if you want to do research and do study well, you can study you can study for the whole day there, and yeah, that's good. Next point is the attendance and the class hours. So there are some props that those who told that 80% criteria or 75% criteria is mandatory for sitting any end-sem or mid-sem exam. But most of the courses don't have any criteria like that. You came, you not came, just you are getting, if you can answer the questions without staying in class, without learning from the class, it's perfectly fine. So yeah, these props are very liberal and they're very kind also. And yeah, for this stipend thing, we have to give our biometric attendance with our ID card and the fingerprint every day in our department. So yeah, the attendance of that biometric is mandatory for all. And for the class hours, it's not any specific time. Yeah, officially it's from I think 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. But unofficially, profs can take classes in any time they want. So in MTech or BTech also, here there is no it's not an office hours. We can't do classes here. It's not like this. Yeah, there can be anything here. The next point is the course outline. So for each course, that is the 6 credit course, so you have to take the electives. For each course, there will be 2 or 3 classes in every week, and there may be 2 quizzes and 1 mid-sem and 1 end-sem. Mid-sem and end-sem are mandatory, and in many courses there will be 2 quizzes too. And in many courses there are 2 to 3 assignments generally, and 1 project. And yeah, so the courses are loaded with assignments, projects, and these assignments or projects are really very good, and you can put these assignments or projects into resumes. So here we don't have to think how will I fill our resume, but we have to think that what projects we have to add in the resume and what we shouldn't. So yeah, there are so many projects within this 1 or 2 years you'll be getting. Yeah, in the first semester I have taken the 4 courses. The first one is the Foundation of Machine Learning. The second one is the DECS, that is the OS type of thing in the designing computing systems. And the third one is the algorithms, and the fourth one is the something computer design, like flow diagram, like a thing. I don't remember the exact name of this course. In the second semester, I have taken 3 electives, and there is one core course, that is the communication skill, that is the PNP course, non-credit course we have to do. And the second one is the seminar we have to do mandatory. So these three elective courses I have taken, that is the medical image computing, the first one, and the second one is the DL NLP, that is the deep learning in NLP domain, and the third one is the system dynamics. And in the third semester we have to do the MTP one, that is very rigorous and 50 credit course. So I don't have taken any other electives in the third semester, because I have already done the 7 elective course out of 9 within the previous 2 semesters. So I have not taken any courses any electives in the third semester. I have prepared for the placement process, so I have done the coding and the MTPs. And in the fourth semester after the placement, I have taken the 2 electives. One is in the cloud computing, and the second is the institute elective I have to do. I have forgot to mention out of these 9 electives, we have to do department electives, 8 electives, and the rest 1 elective will be not department, it will be the institute elective. In this institute elective, I have taken health policy as the elective, the last elective, and also I am doing the MTP2, that is 40 credit course in this semester. And yeah, I am doing my MTP master's projects in the medical image computing domain, and right now I am doing some deep learning tasks in the medical imaging field with the help of computer visions and the deep learning architectures. The segmentation architecture, you have to detect whether there will be any tuberculosis or not with context for Indian chest X-ray dataset. And in the previously, I have also done one disease detection in the agricultural domain, and another is the pest forecasting, that is also in the agricultural domain. So right now we are doing the TB's classification tasks. That is very bold right now in the India. There are, after the COVID, TB is there. TB already increased, and the TB cases already increased within the India. So yeah, right now we are doing the classification problem of the TB detection. So yeah, that's it. I have told everything about IIT Bombay MTech CSE, and after this also, if you have any particular query, you can comment it down and I'll resolve those. I generally read the comments and try to resolve those as much as possible. So please subscribe the channel and share these videos with among the other GATE aspirants and among your friends, and it will be benefit for them also. So yeah, please subscribe my channel and support my channel. Best of luck for your preparation, and who have also got a very good rank, congratulations to them also. So yeah, come to IIT Bombay, and yeah, it's top-notch institute. You will not regret after coming into IIT Bombay CSE. So those who are studying for GATE, prepare hard, keep studying, and yeah, पूरा फोड़ के आना गेट, अच्छे से पढ़ो, अभी पूरा 1 साल है. एंड जो लोग अभी ये ऑलरेडी रैंक अचीव कर चुके हैं, वो लोग भी मज़े करो, थोड़ा कोडिंग वगैरह कर लेना. एंड उसके लिए भी मैं एक वीडियो लाऊंगा कि ये 3 महीने में जो है अभी तक, उसमें क्या क्या तुमको करना है, जिसमें तुम्हारे इमटेक में थोड़ा आसानी हो. ठीक है. और कोई भी वीडियोस चाहिए तो तुम कमेंट आउट कर सकते हो कि मैं वो वीडियो ला दूंगा. ठीक है. अभी इसके बाद आएगा एमटेक आरए के लिए जो कुछ भी चाहिए, इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस एंड हाउ विल बी द एडमिशन क्राइटेरिया एंड द रिटन टेस्ट. तो क्या क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ना है, वो सब मैं बताऊंगा. एमटेक आरए में क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस है, एंड एमएस में क्या क्या डिफरेंसेस है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एमटेक. कोई प्लेसमेंट में कोई कम हो रहा है कि नहीं एमएस में. तो सब लोग जानते हैं कि एमएस पूरा रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड है, बट ऐसा पूरा नहीं है. तो एमएस के लिए भी मैं पूरा डेडिकेटेड वीडियो बनाऊंगा, एमटेक आरए के लिए भी अलग से बनाऊंगा. सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल एंड शेयर दिस वीडियोस विद among the other GATE aspirants and among your friends. It will be benefit for them also. So yeah, please subscribe my channel and support my channel.